Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to get back to it. If you weren't with me earlier today, we already got one workout in, so I'm ready to get it in again. Ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed, in the gym every day for the game that you love to play. Basketball, you already know what to do. So, like, comment, subscribe, and let somebody know that we're over here working. Now we're going to get into this workout. Now I know you're thinking, he's probably going to do agilities again. Nope. I'm going to let you shoot today. I'm going to let you get a couple shots up. So the first thing we do anytime we walk in the gym is we want to form shoot. So let's form shoot a little bit. Let's get those shots up. Remember, we're going to use a little bit of the glass 10 times on both sides. We're also not going to use the glass 10 times on both sides. We're going to get the right side, we're going to get the middle, and we're going to get the left side. So make sure you hit all areas so you can see the basket from different angles. Okay? We prefer swishes, but we'll deal with makes today, especially if you're new. No worries at all. We're just here to get better. All right? Then the next thing that you're going to do is all around the key or all around the world. This is going to be very important for you as you're not going to jump in any of those areas as we work our bend and we work our flow into our shot before we jump. So I want you to make 5 at each spot, which may take you a long time, but that's the goal anyway. It's to put in the time to perfect our work. So at each spot, which would be the block, the next hash mark, around to the elbow, around to the free throw line, around to the elbow, other hash mark, block. Okay? So making 5 each. Then I want you to get to the free throw line and shoot 10 free throws. Okay? That's just continuing to work that form and also being familiar with the shot that you're going to end up taking if you are aggressive driver to the basket. So might as well get better at those too if we're going to work on shooting today. Next thing I want after our free throws is I want us to work on our footwork going into our shot. Okay, so you're going to roll that basketball out. You're going to step with that inside foot, and you're going to step with the other foot, and you're going to make a shot. Okay, now some of us like to hop. So you're also going to roll it out, and you can hop into it. All right, make sure you step with that foot that you're going to lead with. Have balance when you hop. It doesn't need to be a big hop. It's just a short hop, catch, and in. Okay, ideally, we're going to do this on both sides so we can work both sides of our footwork as well as our hop and then our rhythm again. Now, looking into some more shooting, we want to go ahead and go with our star drill because this is going to be the closest thing to what we just did with our footwork, and we are going to do it mid-range first. So many people want to shoot shots at the 3 right away. But again, the mid-range is so important, and it's something that we have to continue to get better at. So that is what we're going to do, and it's going to help us with our form. So we're going to do star shooting. We're going to do 5. Okay, 5 of them. Remember, you're going to be on the baseline to start. Then you're going to shoot at the opposite elbow. Then you're going to shoot at the other elbow. Then you're going to shoot at the opposite baseline. Then you're going to go to the middle of the free throw line. Okay, we're going to do this 5 times. We're looking for makes. And then remember to shoot the free throw again after you make that free throw shot. Okay, we're looking for makes. If you don't, just get it done 5 times. All right. And then after that, we're going to shoot 3s. Okay, we're going to do star drill 3s. You're going to be in the corner, opposite wing, corner. Then we're going to the top of the key. You're going to do that 5 times as well. And then at the end, you make free throw. Okay, so you'll probably be a little bit tired after that. Go ahead and get something to drink. That's okay. Then we're going to hop right back to it. All right, as we look into more shooting, what we're going to do is we are going to shoot our around the world 3s. Okay, now similar to what we do in our mid-range, but here you're just going to shoot. You're going to get your rebound, and you're going to just kind of step to the side. You're going to shoot, kind of step to the side, shoot, kind of step to the side. All right, then what I want you to understand is this isn't about trying to hurry up and get up shots as quick as possible. This is more about taking your time at each spot and seeing every single angle of the 3-point arc. And remember, the 3-point measurements are different in every angle. So the shot can be the same, but sometimes it's going to be a different power based on where you are on the 3-point line. So I like this drill because you really get a chance to see how you have to make a slight adjustment each time. Key component here is I want you to make about 15. So if you didn't make 15 going all the way around, I want you to do it on your way back until you make 15. It's a great drill. It's a little bit easygoing drill. It's something you can cool down on, especially after the running of the 5-star drills. All right? The goal is 15. Then after you're done shooting that, I want you to go to the free throw line again, and I want you to make 10 free throws. Remember, the importance of free throws can be the difference of you averaging double digits or not. So we overlook free throws as not that important of a skill, but it is a very important skill as it can take your game to the next level if you're an aggressive driver to the basket. And we'll definitely work on driving to the basket in some of these workouts. Okay, after we hop back into it, we're looking at mid-range shooting off the dribble. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We're going to do that with our cone drill here. As you can see, the lines of the cones are set up. We're not going to shoot the 3 today. We're just only going to shoot the mid-range pull-ups, as we got to go on left, we got to go on right, we got to go into the middle. So you're going to cross over a little bit and you're going to get into it that way. Okay, then after we do that drill, you're going to make 4 at each spot too. Then after we do that drill, we're going to do our 3-level shooting drill where we're going to lay it up. We're going to shoot the mid-range, then we're going to shoot the 3. Okay, we got to score at all 3 levels. So we're going to do that 5 times as well. Remember to do it on both sides. So it'll be 15 shots total. And then we're going to end it with bank shooting. Okay, so we're not going to shoot our normal 3-point routine that we usually do. We're going to end it with bank shots. Okay, it's a lost art and we got to get it back. The bank shot is something that Scottie Pippen did really well. I used to see him do it in transition. You guys might be too young to know who Scottie Pippen is. Go ahead and look him up. Good player. But that's beside the point. We got 10 makes on the right, 10 makes on the left. You're not going to bank shot it in the middle. Just, we're going to keep it simple today. And that's going to be it. So, you got a little bit of conditioning in, you got some shooting in, and of course, you got some made shots in. And that's what's important. But most of all, you got more work in than anybody else did. So, with that being said, Basketball U, it's the Daily Trainer and I'm out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell somebody about it. And also tell somebody about this. Someone's always working. Are you?